Kerala state government has appointed women as collectors in 9 out of 14 state districts. State Revenue Minister K. Rajan, while supporting the government's initiative, said that the women are doing exceedingly well and the state is proud of them.
It's a very good decision from the state government. It is a historical one because most of the collectors are ladies. Out of 14, there are 9 collectors in different districts. Lady collectors are doing their work very well. So I am very much happy and very proud of that practice.
The time that the state was going through COVID, so there was a lot of work that was.
But they are taking so much works. They are taking so much responsibilities. So this is a role model of the society, and I think it is make a great impact on the case of lady embroidery, women empowerment, and so and so.
In an exclusive interaction with all the 9 collectors together, the women shared their views with Republic TV.
Well, it is a very empowering decision that the government has taken. I don't know whether it happened by design or by all of us were waiting to hold the collector's post, but it is a very, very encouraging situation because this will definitely motivate the women folk, the young girls to aspire and see that they can also reach or they can achieve whatever dreams they wish for. We all are very humbled by this, definitely this huge responsibility.
From women empowerment to women representation, the district collectors focused on every significant area of an inclusive society.
You can see we are 9 women collectors over here. So this is a proof of that. And like I am coming from Jharkhand, we are serving in Kerala. There are so many cultural changes and all, but we love being a part of other culture. So women are adaptable to everything. So as Navjot ma'am said, when we are sitting in the chair, we don't think whether we are male or female. We are working as district collectors.
The women highlighted how they could represent a different state and merge in its culture.
It's always like work first, work comes first. Your individual, timings, your priorities, everything would be dictated by the work itself. So I would just tell the women folk around, the girls around, that there is a whole load of opportunity that is there open for you. Just go ahead, grab it.
They also underscored the importance of selection on the basis of merit and not gender.
That actually matters and nothing else. So, rather than even reservations, I would say, based on merit, give equal opportunities to all women and, they would definitely decorate high positions and serve the nation in a different fashion. And that difference is being felt by people across the state and people across the country is what we believe, and that's what we are striving for, to bring in all the sensitivity and all our life experiences as women, as we decorate different roles in our lives.
Most importantly, the district collectors underlined the importance of encouraging young girls to identify themselves capable of their aspirations.
The duties and the responsibilities are the same, but I feel the females will have a compassion in dealing with the problems of the society.
And that's it. Women who are speaking that compassion is what is going to take the world forward. And at a time when a lot of questions are asked about the role of women, this is a model that surely can be emulated across the world. With video journalist Mani S. from Thiruvananthapuram, Ashwin Nandakumar for Republic TV.